Hi there. I'd like to share a quick tip on how to change the anchor point on an asset inside Camtasia. As you know, the anchor point is always in the center, always. But as you can see, the anchor point on this particular image is on the left bottom corner, and I can show you here. I'm gonna just move it, and you can see it's anchored on that left bottom corner. This is very easy. Let me just do it from the beginning here. So I'm gonna bring the asset here, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna group it. So group, and then I'm going to change the size of that group to a custom size. And this project is 1080 by 1080. I'm going to make it 3000, just make it bigger than the project. The anchor point of the group remains, of course, in the center, but now the anchor point of the group is different than the anchor point of the image. Let's dig in. So I'm going to take the image inside the group, and I want the left point of this image to be the anchor point. So I'm going to just move this image here until it intersects with the center of the group where the anchor point is. So I'm going to go back to my timeline, and I'm going to make this a little smaller. And of course, you see that the position changed. I'm just going to move the group all together here. And as you can see now, the anchor point of that image is right where I want it. And just to test, I'm going to do this, and you can see, and you can move it to any point in this image that you want. Just the only thing you want to make sure is that you intersect the point of the image that you want to become the anchor point to the center of that group. And that should be extremely easy. I hope this is helpful.